Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Reddit ads, launch sponsored campaigns step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Reddit ads website. Click on the login button located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your username or email associated with your Reddit account. Input your password in the designated field. Click on the login button to access your account. Once logged in, you will be directed to the Reddit ads dashboard. If you do not have an account, look for the sign up option to create one. To start a new campaign, click on the Create Campaign button. Select your campaign objective from the available options. Enter a name for your campaign that reflects its purpose. Set your campaign's budget and schedule according to your preferences. Choose your target audience by defining demographics and interests. Select the ad placements that suit your campaign goals. Upload your ad creatives, ensuring they meet Reddit specifications. Review your ad copy for clarity and engagement. Once everything is set, click the Launch Campaign button. Monitor your campaign performance through the dashboard. Make adjustments as needed to optimize your results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.